Okay, so one of my 8 subscribers asked me how I make my mini photozines, and in this video I will show you how to make one in a really quick and simple way. Also, I will talk a little bit more about why I think that photozines are a really great way to promote your work, to actually practice your photo sequencing if you are planning to make some photo books. A photozine is like a magazine, but with only photographs, and they can be small, they can be bigger, but usually they are like small or short photo book. Right now I like to make photozine that has only like 3 photos and the cover and the back. So how to make a mini photozine? You will need one piece of A4 paper, cheap printer, and a pair of scissors. So then I start my design process. After I choose the photos, I upload them to Canva. Canva is a simple and free design tool. I will leave a template in the video description. When you open the link, you need only to click in the left corner on File and then to make a copy. Just replace my photos with yours and save file as PDF. Now you can print it out. When you finish the printing, you need to fold the paper. It can be tricky at first. Here is a video how you can actually fold it. When I'm making photozine, sometimes I have a theme on my mind or story that I want to tell, but it's only 3 photos. I like to keep my photozines on a visible place in my home, like in the living room, or I just carry a couple of zines with myself and I can hand them to people that I met. You can give them basically like a business card to potential clients or other creative people. There is actually a whole market where people sell photozines, but that's the story for itself. The most important thing with photozines for myself is they actually make me want to print my work. I usually want to print my work at the highest quality, but I can't print my work like that when I want. I have to wait a couple of days, I have to pay extra more for that, and I think printing your work is actually really important. The conclusion of this video, photozines are the best thing for you to actually practice your photo sequencing, your creativity, and to actually print your work. I hope this helps. See you in the next video.